Step into a reimagined 1930s bungalow where vintage charm meets bold, eclectic design. Rich textures, moody hues, and layered details create a warm, lived-in feel, earning this striking transformation recognition in top design publications. Studio Lalique, founded by principal designer Lauren Lothrop Karen, is a Seattle-based interior design firm. It excels in creating layered, elevated spaces, particularly focusing on historic homes and properties with inherent architectural character. Their design philosophy is deeply rooted in the belief that great design connects individuals to history, memory, and a strong sense of place, blending architectural integrity with a rich, personal narrative. This transformation of a 1930s cottage-style bungalow with expansive views showcases their ability to infuse wit, sophistication, and unexpected elements into a space. For the furnishings, they thoughtfully incorporated a mix of vintage, antique, and custom pieces alongside the client's existing collection, creating a cohesive and lived-in feel. The color palette favored moody pinks, greens, and golds, complemented by textiles featuring florals, plaids, and fauna, all layered with comforting textures like velvet, leather, and linens. Renovations in this project included the creation of a luxurious primary suite by encompassing a deck, incorporating bespoke millwork and walnut joinery. Studio Lalek's approach to this home style often involves combining rustic wood elements, such as beams and super matte wood floors, with stonework both indoors and out. They are known for layering different patterns and textures to create cozy and inviting spaces. Their designs often embrace wallpaper and a funky, unmatched look, where various shapes, textures, and lines harmoniously coexist. While respecting traditional elements, they also enjoy injecting unexpected and unique designs,